Good deal. Put my lipstick in that.
Wow, it's a book.
It's lots of books.
It is?
It's who, what, where, why, and when.
Oh, boy.
Look it.
We'll
Yeah.
have fun reading those at nighttime. You're going to learn a lot
Great.
of stuff.
Should we give it back?
What?
If it's too heavy, should we give it back?
No.
Kyle, look.
I want it. Now we are keepers.
No.
no.
Really?
How did you know that was a keeper? Wow. It's a pretty orange and yellow keeper.
It's not,
It's not Princess Swan, but
I know.
that's okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks pretty to me. Show Daddy again. Wowee. We'll have to get that out. You can start
Great. Yeah, it's another one of the rockers.
She's all dressed for a rockin'
Wow.
party, isn't she?
You like her? Gosh, you're getting good stuff.
I should say so.
Let's see what else Santa brought you. That's the last present. But gosh, you got a lot.
Until we go to Grammy's, that is. We get more stuff at Grammy's. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, Barbie in the rocker swimming pool.
We'll have to get that all set up, won't we?
Well, Merry Christmas, little girl.
Yes.
Did you get lots of good stuff you wanted? I guess there's nothing left to do but start playing with it. Got them all unwrapped.
And I'll do this when Mommy shows.
Yeah.